let's get on into it. So we open the Bamboo app, you put in your authentication, you click on the stocks that you have, you then choose the one you want to sell, click on sell. So you see the options where they tell you to sell now, limit or order, and stop order. So let's click on sell now. So here you can choose how many shares you want to sell by putting how much you want to withdraw from the total shares that you have. So if you want to sell all the shares you have in that company, you click on sell all. So after you've clicked on sell all, it then takes you to this landing page where you will review your order. So after you have reviewed the order, you then place your order. So it will tell you that the sale of the shares that you just sold has been successfully executed. You click on the order details where they will tell you the number of shares that you sold and the order type, whether you bought the shares or you sold the shares. So you fill the path and then you click on OK, where you will be asked if you would like to set up a recurring purchase, and of course you say no if you don't want to set up a recurring purchase. If you've watched my previous video, you will see where I explained what this recurring purchase actually means. So you click on no, and there you have it. Your sell order has been filled, which would take 48 working days for that particular stock to enter into your trading account in order for you to then withdraw the amount into your bank account. So whatever funds you have in the stock market can be easily liquidated, but it is always advised that whatever amount you have in the stock market is the funds that you don't have any plan to use in the future, so that it can accumulate and compound into profit. All right, so if you have any other question you would like to ask, please feel free to ask all of that and I will happily respond. Until the next video, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.